on my dickhead, on my dickhead. Go about. So, you can just move this in, put it there. You put it like this. Small plate, big plate, little thing, then big plate, then small plate. They do this all the time. What's that noise?
I see, thank you.
Being a KP sounds easy on paper, you know, because you're just washing plates, cleaning the kitchen, and occasionally helping the chefs, and just doing odd jobs. But the same, doing the same thing over and over again, expecting change. That's called insanity. Genuinely, that's what it's like being a KP. Because